Here we are. I'm going to show you how easy it is to swap in that logo light. So as you can see here, it's a whole brand new unit that we're going to be installing. So we have to remove the factory insert here. So I do highly recommend to use some trim removal tools. Will leave a link down in the description below for these. But you're going to come in here very carefully in between the light and the door panel itself. And all we're going to do is try to pry this light straight out. Alright guys, as you've seen there, just slowly go across. They just pop the cover off. We're going to come in here and just pry this out slowly. We'll take our time. We don't want to cause any damage to the OEM light. As soon as you get the whole unit removed, you're going to depress this tab right there and disconnect the electrical. Now we're going to bring in our new unit, full plug and play, and line up the tabs and plug in this unit. At this point, we can now reinsert our light into the housing or the door panel. All right guys, now once you have the new one installed into the door panel, check that out. I have a lot of debris here on the ground. I'll show you guys get this light turned off and show you how amazing this looks. Absolutely fantastic. Like I said, full plug and play system. We still have our red alert light coming off the side, and then we have our logo light shining down. Now we do still have our factory unit here. We did not break this. It is very common for the covers to pull off. So all you're going to have to do is come back in here and reinstall the cover. Boom. Now we have our original OEM unit to sit aside in a safe place in case we ever want to swap back. And now we have our brand new logo light installed. Now we're going to repeat this process on the driver's side and show you guys the final result. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys. Do you think this is a nice upgrade on your vehicle? Do you think it's kind of cheap and cheesy? I personally absolutely love it. This is an option from Mercedes-Benz, so I think it looks absolutely fantastic, and I think it truly transforms the look of the vehicle, especially at night, guys. When you open up those doors, it's just a special feeling to see that logo shining down on the ground. Enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to check out all of the links down in the description below. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't currently subscribed to the channel, and be sure to hit that like button as well if you enjoyed today's episode. Until next time, you guys know what to do. Keep red full throttle.